I kept myself hidden in my pocket. I kept you hidden in my pocket too. Let's talk about even the things we never wanted to say. I just want you to lighten the load a little before the day goodbye comes to find us. Entrust everything you've been hiding to me. I sow seeds with words. You said that if a little more time passes, they'll start to show their colors. Is that just how it works? Pain and tears can become stories to tell. That's fine. Only when the flowers bloom will we finally feel this was enough. Talk to me, listen to me, laugh with me about me. What was it I put in my pocket again? What was it I was hiding there? Somewhere along the way I forgot, but remembering it isn't something to fear. Goodbyes are always back to back. I knew it, even though there were so many things I wanted to say.